Asuntoskeittiö Keravan Augusti.
It's 18th of July 2023. This is Sibeliuksentie 4 here in Kerava, uusi monument in Finland, but unfortunately only one ride because it was badly modernized practice too early. So it's occupied L'Oreal, but both in 2002 originally. Simple SP1 and KE 4824. And the capacity is 8 persons, 60 playgrounds. It will be expected this year, 2023. But you know that it's 2002 boats?
Yeah.
Really weird.
Yeah.
Then we don't need the other one if there's one.
Yeah.
It was badly modernized already. For some strange reason.
Yeah.
After only 7 years. And what about the call button? Is it the same one?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Sorry. They got beautiful pictures in the staircase, but the elevators were so badly modernized after only 7 years.
Yeah. Tippaakin vai escutar meidän työpautussa on olisi gratis.
Maybe it was battery replaced because of some accident.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's